Lesson 24, Vocabulary. Let's learn another 50 words and phrases. Suppose, assume. They assume it's going to rain today. Major, minor. Math is a major subject in school. Mayor. The mayor helps make our city better. Along. We walked along the King Street. Develop. Development. They have been developing it for years. Report. Did you see the traffic report today? Economic. Money and jobs are part of economic matters. Dear. Dear Sir or Madam. Dear John. Dear John, how are you doing? Director or director. The director tells people what to do at work. CEO or Chief Executive Officer. The CEO is the big boss of a company. Managing director. The managing director manages a big team. Deputy manager. The deputy manager is on a business trip. Rep or representative. Sales rep. Represent. The sales rep sells things to people. Position. She got a new position at her job. Event. Sports event. Are you going to the sports event this weekend? Base, basement. We keep our bicycles in the basement. Star. He's a famous movie star. Data or data. Computer. We lost all important data. Cover, undercover. The detective went undercover to catch the criminal. Science, sci-fi, science fiction. Science class is my favorite subject in school. Source. Can you tell me the source of this information? Focus. Let's focus on finishing our work first. Role. Role model. My dad is my role model because he works hard. Protect. Protection. It's important to protect our environment. List. Make a to-do list for him. Present. Gift. To present something. I want to give my mom a gift for her birthday. Guest, guest house. We have a guest staying in our house. Laugh, laughter. His jokes always make me laugh. Ensure. To ensure success, we must work hard. Fit, fit in. Do these shoes fit you properly? Avoid. I try to avoid eating too much fast food. Space. Outer space is full of stars and planets. Dream. Dream, dreamt, dreamt, or dream, dreamed, dreamed. Last night I had a dream about flying. Speed, speeding. He got a speeding ticket for driving too fast. Master, bachelor, doctor degree. She has a master's degree in arts. Outfit. I need to buy a new outfit for the party. Bake, roast, fry, grill, cook, boil. Can you bake a cake for the celebration? Blank. The page is blank, so you can draw on it. Ball. I love playing with my ball in the park. Encourage, discourage. Her parents encourage her to do well in school. Energy, energetic. He always has so much energy when playing outside. Tap, faucet. Can you please turn off the tap when you're done? Unit. The teacher asked us to write about Unit 5. Challenge. Challenging, challenged. Learning to ride a bike can be challenging at first. Steal, stole, stolen. Rob, robber, robbery. He stole a knife from the shop. Picnic. Let's have a picnic this weekend. Split, split, split. Can you help me split this sandwich in half? Huge. The elephant is huge. Mention. I forgot to mention that she was coming. And the phrase is, can we split the bill, please? Sort of. So-so. Chill. What the hell? Heck. What the heck? Oops. Shh. Shush. Hush. Shh. Oh dear. Holy moly. I just went blank. What a nice day. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.